If you searched how to buy shares of Impact BioMedical Inc., this video will walk you through the basic steps. Impact BioMedical Inc. is a biomedical device company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IBO, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IBO to find the listing. Make sure to select the result that matches Impact BioMedical Inc. on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check that the ticker shows IBO and the exchange is NASDAQ to confirm it is the correct asset. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order when it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used here as an example.